In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a blog post URL in Hostinger Website Builder. We'll go through the full process inside your Hostinger dashboard, and I'll also show you where to update both the blog page URL and the individual blog post URL, since those are managed in slightly different places. This is useful if you want cleaner links, better organization, or URLs that are more relevant for your content. To get started, open your Hostinger account and access the website you want to work on. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Edit Website to launch the Hostinger Website Builder. This will take you into the editor, where you can manage pages, blog settings, and post details. From here, click Pages so you can see the structure of your website. If your site doesn't already have a blog section set up, click Add Page, then choose Blog. After that, select the layout you want for the blog page and click Save. This creates the main blog page on your website, which is important before you start adjusting any blog-related URLs. Once the blog page has been added, look at the left panel and find the gear icon next to Blog. Click that icon to open the blog page settings. In this area, select Page URL. This is where you can change the URL for the main blog page itself. For example, this is the part that controls the address visitors use to access your overall blog section. After making your change, be sure to save it so the update is applied. Now, if you want to change the content of a specific blog post, go back to the left panel and click Blog. You'll see your list of blog posts there. Find the specific post you want to update, then click the three dots next to it and choose Edit Post. This opens the post editor, where you can customize the content of that article. To change the post URL itself, click the three dots next to that same blog post again. Then select Post URL. In this section, you can edit the title, description, and the URL for that individual post. This is especially helpful if you want the post link to better match the topic or look more polished when shared. Once you've made your changes, save everything. And that's it. You've now updated both the main blog page URL and the URL for a specific blog post in Hostinger Website Builder.